In previous video, we had seen a conditional statement, that is if. In this video, we will see the next conditional statement, which is else. So in this tutorial, we will be seeing the syntax, then we will go through an example. If else statement, we'll see. You can have any number of if statements in your program, but else statements cannot be written without if. So like previously we were writing this if condition and then statements were there, but you cannot simply write else because else does not check any condition. That's why we cannot have it separately. So here, this is the syntax for if else. So always you will have else after if. And we will be using this in those cases where we want to run some statement based on condition. If that condition is true, we will run these statements. And if that condition is not true, in that case, we will be running these statements. So let's take an example. If a person's age is less than 18, then he is not an adult. Otherwise, he is an adult. So what we are doing here, checking if age is less than 18, we are saying you are not an adult. In all other cases, we will be saying you are an adult. So let's create a program and see. This is for practice. Create a class. So here we will create a main method and we will copy some code from previous. See, this is just to save time. So here we will name this as age, and here we will age is less than 18. Here we will say you are not an adult. We could have written this also. If age is greater than equal to 18, then you are an adult. Let's run our program and see what is the output of it. So it says you are not an adult because we have initialized this age as 18. Now let's try to make this age as, see, you are an adult. So these statements are getting executed based on conditions, and whatever is written before that, it will run without conditions. So, and whatever is written after that also will run always, because we are not putting any condition before it. Now, same thing can be written here as with else statement. Chances are there that they may ask you what is the difference in this approach and this approach. So here what is happening, if age is less than 18, this will be printed, and if it is not, then it will compare this condition again. So in that case, our program will be slower because our compiler is checking two conditions. One is on line number 10 and other is on line number 13. In next example, if this age is not less than 18, it won't check any other condition. It will simply print this statement. So here we are checking two conditions, but in this case we are checking single condition. So that is the difference. This is faster than the first approach. So we'll delete this and run to check whether our program is running fine. See, you are an adult. Change this to 1 year and you will see you are not an adult. And irrespective of any condition, these statements are running. So we will end this video here, and in next video we will learn if else if.